Okay, good day everyone. Today we would like to present string matching using Rabin Karp algorithm in Python. We're from group 9, class 2 and this is the project of ISAS. This is our team. We have 3 members. The first is leader, is Alfi Shafin Guzman. And there's also Raffi Ananda Suhermawan as developer. And me is Rikal Saputra as developer too. Okay. In table of content, we would like to present 3 chapters from our ISAS. The first is basic theory, second is problem analysis, and the third is conclusion and suggestion. The first is basic theory. It would like to present general definition of programming language, Python, searching and sort algorithm, Rabin Karp, and function of Rabin Karp itself. And the second chapter is problem analysis. It would like to present the Rabin Karp implementation and also the advantage and disadvantage. And the third chapter is conclusion and suggestion. It would like to present the conclusion and also the suggestion itself. And let's go to the first chapter. It's basic theory is would like to present by Ravi Ananda.
Okay, thank you, Brother Ricky, for the explanation. Okay, here I will explain the basic theory of our report. The next slide. General definition. First, I will explain about programming language. Notation for telling computer what to do in the future. For the purpose of conversation, this definition appears conceptually valid and it portrays the experience of programming. MEG Co. 2016. So, in the short, the programming language is the command that we give that can be understood by computer. And next, the Python. The programming language we use Python. The Python insert an inserted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Okay, okay, next slide. Okay, the next slide. We discuss about the definition of searching and sort algorithm. It's the process of finding a value in the list of values. In other words, searching in the process of locating a given value position in a list of values. Sorting refers to the operation of airing data in some given sequence. It is increasing or decreasing order. Next slide. The next, we discuss the definition of Rabin Karp. The Rabin Karp, uh, the Rabin Karp algorithm was created by Mitchell or Rabin and Richard M. Karp in 1987, which uses hashing function provides a simple method to avoid comparing the number of secret charters in most cases or situations. Instead of checking every text when something happens for patterns, it would be better and more efficient to perform the current batch check. Carry out a process that has a value set of variance. Yes, it is a small overview the process of using Rabin curve. Okay, the next slide. Okay, Rabin curve function and usability. With the abilities described above, we can say that Rabin curve has a function for staring matching. String matching is a subject the important conquering the text processing. Using string matching includes searching for the pattern in DNA sequence, internet searching engines, and finding relevant web pages in queries, uh, which can also be used to detecting plagiarism in writing. Okay, the next slide. Uh, the next slide, I will be present as a brother Alfie.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Brother Rafi. So, in this chapter 2 is about problem analysis. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, for the first on this chapter, I will explain about the implementation of Rabin Karp algorithm. So this is the method of the Rabin Karp algorithm. For the first, there is a parsing. Name parsing, namely terms that have gone through the pre-processing process, are cut into per character in a process are cut into piece per character, cutting per character using the keygram method. The way the keygram method works is by taking key character is from a word which is continuously read from the source text to the end of the document. And then after the parsing, there is a hashing which converts key piece of letters into a hash value. So this is the formula for hashing. The h equal c1 times bk minus 1 plus c2 times bk minus 2 plus c3 times bk minus 3 until the ck times b0. So what is the meaning of this formula? The meaning of this formula is H is for hashing, the C is for character hashing value, the B is from the prime number, the key is the number of the character. Okay. After that, to improve the rabbinical performance, we will use the equation 2, the simulatory formula. So this is the simulatory formula. The simulatory equal sigma h text and sigma h pattern divide the sigma h text or sigma h pattern times 100% equal sigma h text and sigma h pattern divide sigma h text plus sigma h pattern minus sigma h text and sigma h pattern times 100%. So we will uh, we will uh, we will see the implementation of the Rabin Karp algorithm in Python using this formula. Next slide, please. Okay, so this is the Rabin Karp algorithm for string matching in the Python. So we write this code from the first until the last, and then we input, and in the text we input the main text, and in the pattern we input the string that we want to search. For the example, there is a text A B A A C O P A B C AABAA, and we want to find the pattern ABA in in this text. So we run the code, we run this program, and the result is coming. The pattern is found at position 1, and the second pattern is found at position 12. What's that? What does it mean? That means the first character of the pattern, for example, this is the ABA. The first character is A, is found at the index 1, is located in the index 1. Let's see, this is the index 1, ABA. Okay, so that's correct. And the second pattern is found at position 12. That means the first character of the eBay from the first character from eBay, this is A, is located in the 12, in index 12. Okay, this is the ABA. Okay, so there is the string matching using Rabin cut algorithm in Python. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so Rabin cut algorithm has some advantage and disadvantage too. The advantage of the Rabin cut algorithm is, for the first, is easy calculation process, and the second is suitable for long pattern string. And the disadvantage of the Rabin cut algorithm is more character, longer process. That means the more character we input, the longer it will take to find the pattern. And the last is only can search one string at one time. So we can search more than one string at the same time. Okay.
Okay, in the chapter 3, we would like to present the conclusion and suggestion. So what's the suggestion and the conclusion of itself? So first, we present the conclusion first. The conclusion of Rabin-Karp algorithm is Rabin-Karp algorithm can function as a string matcher by looking for patterns that are the same between the existing text and the string entered by the user. But this system has the disadvantage of not being able to search for more than one string at a time. And the suggestion from writer for this algorithm is first, this algorithm will decrease its effectiveness with an increase in number of characters of the text. So it still need to improve in string search with several improvements. And the second suggestion is the design application system should be able to provide a user-friendly interface, even more interesting, because the Rabin-Karp algorithm is based on the basic implementation. Okay, and that's all from us. If you have any question, just ask to us. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.